guys, so today is going to be my Morphe Me unboxing for September. So this is this one. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for rejoining me or us. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out, so you get all my fun videos. So it's called We Love You Very Matcha, and that's what the thing is. So we obviously are getting a few more brushes this month, which I'm excited about, because if you guys watched my last video, there was a little bit of I was a little unimpressed with the amount of brushes we continued to get, and things, they're makeup brushes that I personally don't use. So I'm excited for these ones. So obviously this month is like a tea theme, so there's like tea bags and stuff on here. And let's just start off with this one here, and I'm gonna just pull this down. This is the Morphe Y13, and this one is a fan highlighter brush. This one I'm gonna probably put in a giveaway. I don't use fan brushes for highlighting. I don't like them. It's just a personal preference, so that is kind of that. It's thin, which is nice because you can get a really good highlight on there, but I just don't personally like to use them. And it is gold handled this time, so all of them are gold this time. So I think the Y stands for the yellow or gold that they are. So up next is this one here, and this is the Morphe Y11 brush, and this is the pointed, you can see here, it is pointed a little bit. This is the deluxe pointed contour brush. I will definitely be using this one. I probably won't be using it to contour. I'm not a fan of pointed fluffy brushes like this to contour with. I should probably give it a try. Chances are I'm not going to. I will probably use this to pat on under eye powder when I'm setting my under eyes, or I will use it for a highlighter brush. This one is, because it's so soft and it's not super dense, it might be a really good highlighting brush. So then up next is this one here, and yes, they are all yellow or gold or whatever you wanna, I'm assuming by Morphe standards that they are the yellow version. Correct me if I'm wrong if you know, but I think that's why they're called the Y series. So this is the Morphe Y18, and this is a tapered blending fluffy brush. So it is an eyeshadow fluffy brush, obviously. Again, love these. So I probably won't be using this as a blending brush. It is, if you look at it, it's not super fluffy, it is kind of like flat, so I could probably use this to put on like the glitters and stuff like that. I will try to use it as a blending brush, but I don't really foresee me using it as a blending brush, but it is super cute and it is definitely an eyeshadow brush, so that's great. And then up next we have this one here, and this is the Morphe Y21, and it is a flat definer brush, and this one is, I guess, so you can use this to fill in eyebrows, or you can use it as an eyeliner brush to like smoke out the eyes and put it like in nice straight lines. I don't really use these kind of brushes a whole heck of a lot. I probably should use them a little bit more, but I don't really know. I do actually prefer to use ones like this to blend out my under eye color if I'm putting a color on the lower lash line, so those are good for that as well. And then this is the Y22, and it's, oops, it's not gonna focus on it, is it? Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the Detailed Bullet Crease Brush. It is super small, it's nice and soft, it's very like, it's dense, which is nice to do like really good crease work. I'm probably not going to use this for that. I don't like little tiny brushes like this for crease work. I will probably use it to blend out my under eyes, or to get really good in the lash line and blend out the lash line on top, but I still am impressed with that. So those are the five brushes we got this month for the Morphe Me subscription, or the Live Glam. subscription, so that's pretty awesome. I'm only going to not be using one of them, so that's pretty good. That's 4 that I will use, and then I'll just put this in a giveaway, but that's awesome. I'm really excited to use these 3. So that was everything for September's Morphe Me unboxing, or unbagging. If you guys want to see a video on my favorite Morphe brushes that I've gotten in my subscription, leave me a comment in the comments below and I'll make a video on that for you guys. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!